Hi everyone, today we will discuss narration volume 2nd. In previous volume, we have studied that narration is the word which has been derived from narrate, which means to say. We may report a speaker's words in two ways. First, direct speech. If we quote the actual words of the speaker, it is called direct speech. Means if we are using real words spoken by the speaker, this is called direct speech. In direct speech, we use comma and inverted commas while quoting the real words of the speaker. Each direct speech has two parts. First one, reporting clause, which is put before comma, and reported clause, which is used in inverted commas. It starts with comma to punctuation mark. Next one is indirect speech. If we quote what the speaker said without quoting his exact words or actual words, it is called indirect speech. In indirect speech, we do some required changes according to time and place and the person, and we put the words according to our own wish, but we do not use real words or actual words spoken by the speaker. As we have discussed in previous volume that there are 5 rules to transform a sentence from direct to indirect speech. First one is a change in reporting verb. Next, use of a suitable connector. Third, change in person. Fourth rule is change in tense. And fifth rule is change in time and place showing words. So there are 5 rules to transform a sentence from direct to indirect speech. First, change in reporting verb. Second, use of a suitable connector. Third, change in person. Fourth, change in tense. And fifth, change in time and place showing words. I hope that you all have learnt all these rules. Now we are going to discuss examples. First, we are going to transform the sentences from direct to indirect speech of assertive sentences. For example, Ram said to Rahim, John is playing with Jaspreet. Ram said to Rahim, this is called reporting clause. And John is playing with Jaspreet, this is called reported clause. So we can clearly see that there are two parts of a sentence given in a direct speech. So Ram, that is subject that remains the same. Said to is changed into told because this is a assertive sentence. After reporting verb, we put object. Remember, subject and object of reporting clause are not changed. The sentence in reported clause is simple, so connector is that. After that, John, that is a name of person, it is also not changed. SMR is changed into was were. According to John, we have to use was plus playing with the Jaspreet, it remains as it is. So the answer is Ram told Rahim that John was playing with the Jaspreet. Next example is my mom said to Ram, she has finished her book. My mom is subject that remains as it is. Said to is changed into told if the reported clause is assertive sentence. Ram that is object that also remains same. Connector is that because the sentence is assertive. She is third person, no changed. Has is changed into had plus third form of finish finished the book. So the answer would be my mom told Ram that she had finished her book. In reported clause we have used has and has is changed into had according to rule. We have discussed it in earlier volume. Next example. I said to you, you wrote a book yesterday. I is subject as it is. I told you. You is also object. Object and subjects are not changed in reporting clause. Said to is changed into told if the sentence in reported clause is assertive. You wrote a book yesterday, that is assertive sentence. So said to is changed into told. So I told you, connector is that. You is second person is changed according to object. And object or reporting clause is you. So you is changed according to object and object is you. So we have to put you after connector. Wrote is second form is changed into past perfect. Had plus third form. So had written a book as it is. Yesterday is changed into the previous day. So the answer would be I told you that you had written a book the previous day. The next sentence. The boy said Sita had returned my book. The boy subject that is put as it is after said remains unchanged because the sentence in reported clause is assertive. Said connector is that. In assertive sentences we use that connector. Sita is the name of a girl and names are not changed. They are put as it is. So Sita after had plus third form has been used here that shows past perfect tense. Past perfect tense remains same. Had returned. My is first person is changed according to subject and subject is the boy. So according to boy, his and book. So the answer would be the boy said that Sita had returned his book. Next one, yes no questions. Yes no questions start with a helping verb. I said to her, do you play football? I said to is changed into asked because this is question and questions are always asked. That's why we use asked instead of using told in interrogative sentences. Her is object that remains as it is. So subject and object are put as it is. I asked her. The question is starting with helping verb, so connector is if. You is second person is changed according to object. Object is her and subjective case of her is she. So we put she here. After if do plus first form is used, we change that into second form. Played. Football is noun. Noun is put as it is. So the answer would be I asked her if she played football. The teacher said to me, will you play here? The teacher asked me. Said to is changed into asked because this is interrogative sentence. Connector is if. You is second person. Second person is changed according to object. And object of reporting clause is me. So the subjective case of me is I. Will is changed into would. Plus first form of play. Here is changed into there. So the answer would be, the teacher asked me if I would play there. In interrogative sentences, we put full stop in the end of the indirect speech. Next question. He said to her, "Can I leave this?" He is subject and subject remains unchanged. Said to is changed into asked in interrogative sentences. Her is object. Object also remains same. In yes no questions we use if connector. I is first person. First person is changed according to subject. Subject is he. So we put he after connector. Can is changed into could. Live, and this is changed into that. So the answer is, he asked her if he could leave that. WH questions. I said to my mom, "What are you planning now?" I asked my mom. What is WH word, and if there is WH word in reported clause, WH word is used as a connector. You is second person. Second person is changed according to object. Object is my mom, and for my mom we use she pronoun. After that, ismr are changed into was, were. According to she, we use was, planning, and now is changed into then. So the answer would be, I asked my mom what she was planning them. Remember, in indirect speech we do not use inversion. Means first we have to use subject, after that we use verb. Like she was, not was she. That would be wrong answer if we write was before she. He said to Vijay, "Where will she go?" He asked Vijay, where is WH word, so put as a connector. Where, after connector we put subject, and subject is she. She is third person. Third person remains unchanged. Will is changed into would and go. In the end we put full stop. So the answer is, he asked Vijay where she would go. Remember, if there is interrogative sentence in reported clause, we change the order of verb and subject. In interrogative sentence we use helping verb, after that subject, and while changing that into indirect speech we put subject, after that verb. Navya said to me, "When will you meet?" Navya is subject, that is put as it is. Said to is changed into asked, and me is object. Object is also not changed. So Navya asked me. When is WH word. WH word, after connector we use subject, and subject of reported clause is you. You is second person, and second person is changed according to object. Object of reporting clause is me, so we have to use subjective case of me, that is I. Will is changed into would, and after would we use first form of verb, so the first form of meet is meet. So the answer is, Navya asked me when I would meet. Keep this thing in your mind that when we change a sentence from direct to indirect speech, we put a full stop in the end of indirect speech because we have to make a statement of it. Imperative sentences. Imperative sentences always start with first form of verb or don't. For example, Tanya said to Raj, "Get out from here." Tanya is subject and subject remains same. Get out from here. This is the sentence used in inverted commas, means in reported clause, and the end tone of this sentence tells us that it is a command or order. So Tanya ordered Raj. Get is first form, that is imperative sentence. In imperative sentences we use to connector. So after Raj we have to put to plus first form get out from, here is changed into there. So the answer is Tanya ordered Raj to get out from there. In imperative sentences we use to connector, and after to we put first form of verb. She said to me, "Help me please." She said to is changed into requested because in a reported clause please word indicates towards request. So she requested me and help is first form, that indicates that the sentence is imperative. In imperative sentences we use to connector. So she requested me to, after to we put first form. First form is help and me is first person. First person is changed according to subject, and subject of reporting clause is she, but here me is objective case, so we have to put objective case of subject, that is her. So the answer is she requested me to help her. We omit please or kindly in the sentence Rajendra said to Monica, "Respect the poor." So Rajendra advised Monica to respect the poor. That is the answer. Because the sentence in reported clause indicates towards suggestion or advice. So said to is changed into advised according to the sense of sentence given in inverted commas. Respect is first form. This indicates that the sentence is imperative, and in imperative sentences, to connect imperative sentences we put to connector. After to we put first form, that is respect here, and the poor is a noun and noun phrase is used as it is. Next question. The officer said to the policeman, "Fire." The officer commanded the policeman to fire. Here fire, it is a command given by the officer to the policeman. When there is a senior as a speaker and junior as a listener, in that condition we change said to into commanded or ordered, and officer is giving here command to the policeman, so we have changed it into commanded. So the answer is the officer commanded the policeman to fire. The doctor said to the patient, don't think too much. Here doctor always gives suggestions or advice to the patient. So the doctor advised the patient. We use not to connector in the sentences which start with don't. So the connector is not to. After to we use first form, that is think, and too much. These are adverbs and adjectives, so we do not change them. So the answer would be the doctor advised the patient not to think too much. Next, optative sentences. Optative sentences express blessings or curse. The old man said to me, may God bless you. May God bless you. This sentence shows that the old man is giving blessings to me. So the old man said to is changed into blessed according to the sense of reported clause. Me is object, that is put as it is. In optative sentences we use that connector. After that we put subject, and subject of reported clause is God. May is changed into might. After might we use bless first form, and you is second person. Second person is changed according to object. Object is me, so me. So the answer is the old man blessed me that God might bless me. Next sentence. My mom said to Navya, may you keep smiling forever. This is an optative sentence. So my mom blessed Navya, that you is second person. Second person is changed according to object. Object is Navya. For Navya we use she pronoun. May is changed into might plus first form, that is keep smiling forever. So the answer is my mom blessed Navya that she might keep smiling forever. The employee said to the boss, may you go to hell. The sentence in reported clause indicates towards curse. The employee cursed the boss that you is second person, that is changed according to object of reporting clause, and object of reporting clause is the boss. So for the boss we use he or she because it might be male or female. May is changed into might plus first form go to plus hell. So the answer is the employee cursed the boss that he or she might go to hell. Next, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express sudden or strong feelings of the speaker. Rahul said, "Hurrah, I have uploaded the video." Hurrah shows joy or happiness. Hurrah is changed in exclaimed with joy or happiness. So Rahul exclaimed with joy. In exclamatory sentences or optative sentences we use that connector. So after joy we use that. I is first person. First person is changed according to Rahul, and the pronoun used for Rahul is he. Have is changed into had. So the answer would be Rahul exclaimed with joy that he had uploaded the video. Kavita said, "Alas, my dog has died today." Alas shows sorrow or sadness. So Kavita exclaimed with sorrow that my is first person and first person is changed according to subject of reporting clause. Subject of reporting clause is Kavita, and for Kavita we use she pronoun, and possessive pronoun of she is her. So her dog has is changed into had, died. After had we use third form, and today is changed into that day. So the answer is Kavita exclaimed with sorrow that her dog had died that day. Ram said to Prem, "Bravo, you have proved it now." If there is bravo word, we change that into uploaded somebody saying that. So Ram uploaded Prem saying that he had proved it then. Bravo is changed into uploaded after object plus saying plus that. So uploaded somebody saying that. So the answer would be Ram uploaded Prem saying. In exclamatory sentences we use that. After saying that, use second person. Second person is changed according to object. Object is Prem, and for Prem we use he pronoun. Have is changed into had plus third form. It remains same and now is changed into then. So the answer is Ram uploaded Prem saying that he had proved it then. Next sentence, I said, "What a beautiful house it is." What a beautiful house it is. This sentence gives the sense of surprise. So said is changed into exclaimed with surprise. I exclaimed with surprise. Connector that it is put in the starting. Is changed into was. A and what is changed into very beautiful house. So the answer would be I exclaimed with surprise that it was a very beautiful house. She said, Fie, this house is very dirty." Fie shows disgusting thing. So the answer, she exclaimed with disgust that house was very dirty. Connector is that, and second that is used for this pronoun because this is changed into that. So the answer is she exclaimed with disgust that this that is connector, and next that is pronoun which is used for this. That house was very dirty. In the end, I want to give suggestions to you for learning this topic. As we have discussed in our first volume that we have to learn all the rules which have been mentioned in first volume. If we learn all these rules, we can write the answers of this topic, because this is not considered a very simple topic. Before learning this topic, we must have the knowledge of helping verbs, main verbs, adverbs and tense. So generally this topic is taught after the topic of tense. So I advise you again that you have to learn all the rules, you have to write all the rules, and if you have any problem, please ask in doubt section.